Hey there, it's Mary from Nice Guy Technology. I'm going to tell you a little story. So lately I've been trying to watch my personal spending, cut out some things that could save a few dollars here and there. So the last several months I've skipped a few trips to the salon. So my bangs have been down in my eyes and, gray hairs peeking out a lot. So last night I got all fed up with it. I grabbed a drugstore box of hair color. It was half price with a coupon. And some scissors I found in the drawer. Seemed like a great idea at the time. I don't know what color this is, but it's not mine. Well, I guess it's mine for a while. So what I did with my hair is exactly what lots of businesses do with their technology. They slap some antivirus on the computers, you hope for the best. Why spend money if you don't have to, right? Think about this though. If all of your company's computers were wiped out today, how long would it take you to become operational again? How quickly can you replace that equipment, your software, your customer data, logins, passwords? How much would that downtime cost your business? Or even worse, you experience a data breach. What's the worst that could happen? You face fines, lawsuits, you lose customers, and your great reputation that you've built over the years. Here's a scary statistic. 60% of the companies that experience a cyber attack are out of business within 6 months. They don't last 6 months after that attack. So eventually my bangs will grow out, the color will fade, but here are some lessons I've learned and I hope you do too. Do what you're good at. Hire a skilled professional for everything else, and you get what you pay for. It's half price with the coupon. I'll see you next time.